So this is an inequality, right? Inequality equation. So first thing you do, transpose this to the side. So you have x squared minus x minus 90 greater than 0, right? So you want to find your critical values here, where this equation of yours is equal to 0. That's what you need to do. Find your critical values. So say you want, okay, our critical values for x squared minus x minus 90 is equal to 0. Factorize this, or you put it in a quadratic equation, because this is similar to 1.1.2, the one we use the quadratic equation. You can use the quadratic equation here if you can factorize. So x, we have 9, we have 10, minus, we have plus. So x is equal to minus 9, x is equal to 10. So your critical values are x is equal to minus 9 and x is equal to 10. So, but you want to find this the set of x values that will satisfy this equation, or equivalent with this one, because these are equivalent. So the one that I find easier is this one here. Find easier to work with, because this is a parabola, this one. So you can just draw a rough sketch of it. You can look, okay, here's my parabola. It will look like this. This is my y, this is my x, right? My intercepts at minus 9, somewhere maybe here. It doesn't have to be neat. And 10 is somewhere here. So to draw this, say, okay, it's a positive parabola. It has this smiley face here. So this should be 10 here. 10 here. 9 here. So 9 minus 9, 10. So this is our function, right? So you want the values of x where our function, this one, which is this, is greater than 0, which means where it is positive. Where is it positive? So here it's positive because it's above the x-axis. Positive, 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 0 here. Negative, 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 because it's below 0, right? Negative, negative, positive, 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 above the line y is equal to 0, because this is x-axis, right? X-axis or line y is equal to 0. This is the y-axis or line x is equal to 0. So here my y is equal to 0. Above here is positive, here is negative, right? So above here y is greater than 0. Here y is less than 0, below. And here on this line y is equal to 0. So you want where your equation is greater than 0, where it is positive. It's positive here and there, right? So what are the values of x then? So it's these values here. You can say the values this direction. So those values are less than 9, and the values to that direction. Those values are greater than 10. So your x values, x is greater than 10, or your x is less than minus 9. Or you can write it x is an element of minus infinity, from infinity to minus 9, right? Union what? 10 to infinity. This is how this looks like, which means you're just taking the union of this set and that set, you're just putting them together. That's what you're doing here. But you don't have to write this but that, because our function is positive greater than 0, here, which the corresponding x values are these ones, they are less than -9, and here the corresponding x values are these ones, greater than 10. That's how you do this one. Then we move to the next question.